Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be my update budgie slash whoops, what I just do? Oh. Slash budgie check. So this is the first naughtiest one. Just going really well and stuff. Just looking at the camera. I've actually trained and they're starting to come to me and all that stuff like that, which is really exciting. They're going, this will all come out. You can't really see, but that's the yellow and green. Right there. They're just all excited because I got the camera out. It's really funny. I'm just looking. This is my favorite specifically. This one's got white tip feathers and it also has a lot of different types of colors. As you can see, they're starting to learn to fly, which is so cute. Look at that little cutie. So they're starting to take off in the cage. About 60 days to try and take off. So this is little star, full yellow, sort of. If you can see or not, full yellow. Pretty. My favorites is color. Just go crazy. And I got this yesterday, the cuttlefish or cuttlebone and stuff. So there's 5 all together, and they're going. As you can see, that one's going sort of the nest box. Just learning all to fly. So as you can see, watch this. They're all starting to eat as well, so that's really exciting. They're also starting to eat some egg, so I don't have to feed them as much as I used to. If you watch this, they'll come. See? He flew to me. Or she. I'm not too sure if it's a boy or a girl. Watch. See? I've trained them. I've trained 4, but the other one's too young to understand what I'm talking about. See? They just come all over my hand, but they all fly, so I gotta be really careful. Sorry guys, I have to put that down because oh my god, I'm all crazy and frenzy. Oh my god, sorry. Okay, babies. Okay, and you go. I'm gonna make a video here. Can't let you. Sorry about that. They're just kind of like they just want to really come out. Okay, let's see if we can do that properly. So I open the door and put my hand out. Come out, see? Hold on, I don't want all of these out. Look how cute that is. Like little playing little ones. Just playing with my shirt. My shirt, little baby. What are you doing to each other? Trying to take off. Say hi. Hi. Get up to on my shoulder. Hold on. Good boy. That was a nice little bang. Hold on. What are you all doing to each other lately? Get off, all of you. Just like a little frenzies. Hold on. Oh my gosh, what are they doing? Don't do that. Oh! Hold on. I'm just trying to put them all in, but oh my god, they're not listening. Off me! As you can see, they're not listening to go back in. Watch. Just come all to me and on my head and stuff. So crazy, as you can see. Crazy little baby. Oh my god, it's all in my hair. Okay.